Hi everyone, it's Michelle here. Welcome to our new episode. For today's video, we're going to show you the new featured property. So as we entered Pristina North Residences, this is not an ordinary gated community. This exclusive development sets the standard in luxury living in northern part of Cebu City. Welcome to an address of prestige. Welcome to Pristina North Residences. Behind me is an Asian contemporary style, the elegance in which complements the location's lush surroundings here in Pristina North Residences located in Talamban, Cebu City. This house sits on a 139 square meters lot and a total floor area of 139 square meters. This house is currently in the market for 16.5 million pesos. Before we start our tour, please don't forget to click subscribe with our official YouTube channel, Open Doors, our Facebook page, Open Doors Realty, our Instagram at opendoors.ph. Hit notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop new videos and property listings. Let's appreciate the facade of the house showcases earth tone colors, which creates warm and nature atmosphere. This would be your carport and it can fit up to 2 cars comfortably. So on my right side, this is your main entryway. Follow me as we open this main door. So let me focus. This main door is made of solid wood panel. So let's check out what's inside. Come in. So right behind me is our staircase and it will lead you to the second floor. But before that, we'll check out first the living area. So this would be your living area. Large windows, these wrapped windows give you a view on your carport and also your mini garden over here. Above is your favorite chandelier. This would be your dining area. So actually, it can fit up to 6 seaters. And what's good in this house is there is a lanai. You have an access here from your dining area. And this is a high quality sliding door. Let's check out first, of course, the kitchen area. So as you can see, there's a lot of storage spaces, overhead cabinets, counter cabinets, and this countertop is made of granite. The provision for your fridge is right over here, double sink, and of course the faucet. And this would be for your range hood and your cooktop over here, and an oven will do. So here, come and follow me. This is a perfect place for you to celebrate your Sunday barbecue with your family, your friends, or relatives. Yes, this is your maid's quarter. And I really like it because there's toilet and bath. There's a powder room, few steps downstairs. So this is your little powder room for your guests. So few steps up. Can't wait to check what's on the second floor. Come on, guys. So we go up on the second floor. Actually, there's 3 bedrooms. So we're gonna first check the first bedroom. So it's already open for us. See? So there's a built-in cabinet where you can place your clothes. You can hang your clothes in here. And here, check this out. Yes, we're done with the first bedroom. Let's check out the second bedroom. Come inside. Oh, I really like this second bedroom because there's a large windows frame. This is a high quality window. And there's another window over here that invites natural light in. And again, built-in cabinets, same size as the first bedroom. And all the provisions here for the televisions is ready for you. This door right here is an access of your common toilet and bath. I can't wait to check the master bedroom. Come inside, follow me as we check the whole master bedroom. Again, large windows frames, high quality windows. And here, this is floor to ceiling slide door. This would be your mini balcony. Follow me as we show you the walk-in closet. Spacious cabinets. Mini balcony. So this is a favorite spot where you can enjoy your morning cup of coffee, and you have a view on the greens over there and a little part of your carport. Pristina North Residences, your escape from the city within the city. And that is all for today's house tour. And before I let you go, you know the drill. Please don't forget to click subscribe to our official YouTube channel, Open Doors, our Facebook page, Open Doors Realty, our Instagram at opendoors.ph, and hit the notification bell for you to be notified whenever we drop new videos on property listings. If you would like your listing or property to be featured or sell with us, or you are planning to invest or buy a property, send us a message. Again, this is Michelle. We'll see you guys in the next episode. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.